Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to get the Bitget wallet address. Now let us begin. Well, right here, this is the interface of Bitget, and do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let us simply look at how to get the Bitget wallet address. At the top right next to the search button, you will see a profile icon like this. Click on it. And as such, these things will open up. Now all I want to do is get the Bitget wallet address that relates to asset. Click on this button here, and once you've done that, these things will open up. From here, well, there are lots of options, but simply click on spot account. From here, what you guys need to do is simply click on this deposit button right here. Click on it, and that is it. Simply select the coin of your choice. Currently it is in USDT. Let's say I select this one right here. Now once you've done that, simply select the network as well. I'm gonna select it. And guys, this is it. This is my Bitget wallet address specifically for this coin right here. That is it guys. That's how we get your Bitget wallet address. It is quite easy. Simply select the coin of your choice and select the network. That's about it guys. That is how we get your Bitget wallet address. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.